to illustrate it, so this is what you see on top actually. So you're gonna reach out your hand on top, then you feel this rubber stuff in here, you go down and then you push it up and it will unlock. It's the classic way of fixing a broken lift gate actuator. So I'm trying to reach the actuator down there with my hand. So yep. Let me see. It's gonna be a long reach over there. See that connector over here, so you just reach your hand down there and pull up. Got it. So we'll take this out and close the glass. There you go. So I don't know why they put some stuff in there. Screws, and look at how rusty it is. I'm thinking of probably replacing this tailgate. And then once you get all 4 screws, you can pry it down. This is how it looks like. So you got 3 torque screws, T30. Take that out. Removing the 3 torque screws. Screws are out. It's easy to take this whole assembly out and disconnect the terminals. And just gonna align the 3 torque screws over there. Yep. There you go. Yep. 3 torque screws are bolted in. Time to put the connectors. There you go. Then the other one is, oh, I cannot see, but it's over the position. I'm gonna unlock it. There we go.